Hello friends, so we got another set of some foodstuffs. Yes, so let's unpack it together. So see, I've already unpacked it. This is my yellow pepper. Yeah, this is my yellow pepper. So let's unpack the remaining ones together. Wow, this is oranges. This is oranges. Oranges fresh, harvested from the village. The orange is fresh, harvested from the village. So, wow, what is this? Let's check. Let's check what this is. The thing is well tied, very well. Okay. You don't believe. Ah, fufu. This is fufu. Ah, fufu, fufu, fufu. So many wraps of fufu. Hey. Okay. Okay, this is another fufu. Okay, let's go. This is another set of melon. Yes, a melon. So let's keep going. This is, let's untie it. My mom can tie things. Hey, she can tie it in order to secure it very well. Oh my God. Oh, this is gari, freshly baked. Almost see the color. The red gari is ready. See the color. Gari. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, see more of our oranges. Some have been inside. Some are inside our oranges. Okay, let's check what this is. This is, oh, our cocoyam from Edofe for onugbu soup, oha and co. So this is our cocoyam. Okay, let's keep moving. Okay, these are plantain. You know, I love plantain very well. These are plantain. Let's unpack our plantain. Let's unpack our plantain. This plantain. This is beautiful, beautiful plantain. I'm still seeing oranges. Most of them are inside. Okay, let's come to this. Guess what I want to bring out now? Sweet potato. It's not the normal white that we used to see every day here in Lagos. This one is the made nduku. We are still bringing out our potato. Before I will show you guys what I want to show you. Hey, if you guess what this thing is, hey God, who remember this soap? This is soap. Who remember this soap for washing plates? The big bag. Let's see what this big bag is. Let's see what this big bag is. This is Okpa flour. So this is what we have. Thanks for watching.